Nothing helps your marketing content stand out more than drone photography and video. At the Hood Collective, our fully licensed drone pilots specialize in producing top-notch visuals that will help your cannabis grow or event reach a larger audience and have more of an impact. Drone content is guaranteed to stand out wherever you use it. It's a powerful tool for creating engaging trade show videos, landing page videos for your website, or eye-catching social media posts that will cause people to stop and pay attention. The Hood Collective works with only fully licensed drone pilots who are experienced with the cannabis industry. This starts at the top, as our founder is a drone enthusiast himself. Whether you are located on a scenic cannabis farm or have a world-class facility you want to show off, professional drone photos and videos will leave a memorable impression with your potential customers. Please visit our website to learn more about our drone packages and to schedule a free consultation.